How to use your points on Shein. Hey guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel and let us get started. Launch your Shein application first and get logged into your Shein account. Now, in order to use the points, you have to purchase an item. You can also search for any item that you would like to purchase or just choose from these existing options. In my case, I'm going to go ahead with this. Select the color and the size. Then tap on Add to Cart. Then tap on this cart option. Select the dress that you would like to check out and tap on Checkout. Now here, make sure that you have entered your location correctly. Also make sure to choose your payment method. And under here, you will see Apply Coupon and Gift Card. If you tap on View More, you will also see Points. Tap onto it. If you have any points available, you can tap on Apply. Once you do so, tap on Continue. And that is how you can do it. Thank you all for watching the video till the very end. If it had helped you in any ways, then please like and subscribe.